In this video, you will learn how to improve your Google Ads quality score fast. First, make your ads highly relevant to keywords. Align your ad copy closely with keywords in each ad group. Use the main keywords in the headline and description where it makes sense. Create tightly themed ad groups. Don't mix unrelated keywords all in one ad group. Break large ad groups into smaller ones to focus on specific keyword themes. Improve your landing page experience. Make sure your landing page is relevant to the ads and keywords, loads quickly, and is mobile friendly. Include targeted keywords on your landing page and ensure clear navigation and call to action. Boost click-through rate. Use strong benefit-driven headlines and CTAs. Try ad extensions like site links, callouts, and unstructured snippets to make your ads more clickable. Test multiple ad variations. Run A/B tests to find the best performing headline and description. Use responsive search ads to let Google optimize the best combination automatically. Remove low performing keywords. Pause or remove keywords of a low quality score. Focus on high performing keywords that bring consistent engagement. Monitor quality score metrics. Keep an eye out on 3 components of quality: expected click-through rate, ad relevance, landing page experience, and address any areas marked below average. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.